Food processing machinery. Presentation. Food processing machinery. Food processing machinery is a parasol term referring to the various components of the food processing unit, like food processing machines and systems, used to handle it. Some food processing equipment manufacturers in India design their machinery so that it can also perform preliminary or auxiliary functions, such as handling, preparation, and packaging. Demands and requirements. Depending on the requirements and the demands of the operation, and the overarching food processing application, the food processing machinery can be designed and constructed as per customization to handle solid, semi-solid, or liquid food products by batch or continuously. Other designs and construction-related customizations include the use of food-grade materials, hygienic and governmental standards, sizing, cost, and integration of automation or analytical components. Types of food processing machinery. The huge and wide range of food processing equipment available can be categorized and classified in multiple ways, for example, end product form, mode of operation, application, etc. The food processing machines in India and the food processing machines manufactured in India can be broken into multiple cycles, or stages, characterized and categorized by a specific function and during which individual unit operations are performed. During the preparation stage or initial stage, the primary function and main function are to prepare the food material for further processing, and some of the unit operations performed include washing and separating the ingredients not needed. Peeler machine. The peeler centrifuge operates by rotating a filtration basket on an axis. A centrifuge follows the principle of centrifugal force to separate solids from liquids by density difference. High rotational speed produces high centrifugal force, which allows the suspended solids in the feed to settle on the inner surface of the basket. Kinds of centrifuges: horizontal, vertical peeler centrifuge, and siphon peeler centrifuge. These classes of instruments apply to various areas such as fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, plastics, and food, including artificial sweeteners and modified starch. General principles. The peeler centrifuge operates on the principle of centrifugal force to separate solids from liquids by density difference, and high rotational speed produces high centrifugal force, allowing the suspended solid in the feed to settle on the inner surface of the drum, as well as washing and washing processes at the same rotational speed and in the same centrifuge vessel. Types: horizontal peeler, vertical peeler, siphon peeler. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.